Hello crafty friends, welcome to or welcome back to Jenny Love Journals. So today is going to be a crafty giveaway video. It is Sunday, so today I'm going to be showing what I am giving away this week, and that will give you guys 48 hours to enter. And then Tuesday, watch out for that video, as that video will be coming out to show who wins. You'll have to excuse the noise in the background. My neighbor is power washing his driveway or something. I don't know, it's a little loud, but this video is not going to be long at all. As for the bundle that I'm giving away this week, some of you might actually recognize it. I put this bundle up as a giveaway 2 weeks ago, and unfortunately the person that won it had not claimed it. And as I've explained before, if you do happen to win a giveaway, you have 2 weeks in which to claim your winnings, and if you don't claim it within 2 weeks, then I will put it back up for somebody else to have a chance to win it. So unfortunately that person did not claim it. It has been a little over 2 weeks, and so I'm going to put it back out there to give somebody a chance to win it. So if you don't remember what is in here, or if you didn't see this giveaway the last time, I'll show you really quick. It's like a cream color sheer ribbon, very, very beautiful. There's a whole bundle of it unopened. And then we have a little block stamp here. Oh, upside down. There we go. And it's supposed to be like a letter. It looks like it may have been used maybe once, if even that. So it's in really good shape. It's a super cute block stamp. This is a bag full of vintage blue sequins, unopened. And as you can see, it is quite old. This is a package of hooks and eyes. It says there's 14, but there are 3 of them missing. And again, as I've always explained, the items that I give away are small bundles of things that I have either destashed from my craft room, or things that I have purchased in bulk at thrift stores, antique malls, church sales, things like that, that I will never use in my lifetime as far as all of it. So I share it with you guys and do include them in bundles for giveaways. I should have explained that in the beginning. So that's why sometimes things like this will be in the giveaway, but nevertheless, you still have 11 of them. And these are great for making little closures for like envelopes and things like that. Okay, and then you'll get these flashcards. There's 36 flashcards. That's what they look like. That type of concept. You will receive a April 1977 Vintage Reader's Digest. Look at that. Isn't that so adorable? Lots of goodness in here to make ephemera, lots of advertisements, vintage, a lot of vintage photos and illustrations, order forms, all kinds of stuff in the Reader's Digests. So you'll receive that. And then finally, it's a handmade book, right? And I didn't make it. I purchased it at Goodwill a while back. And inside it is handmade paper. It says Tuesday, but that's the only thing that's written in this entire book. But you get lots and lots of sheets of, it's like pressed paper, handmade pressed paper in this handmade book. I'll show you the texture. Very, very cool. So again, you get the handmade book, the Vintage Reader's Digest, the flashcards, the blue sequins, the trim, the block stamp, and the hooks and eyes. So all you have to do is down in the comment section below is type hashtag JLJTribe, all one word. I'll put it up here on the screen for you. And like I said before, if you have entered a contest, one of my giveaways before, and you have won, that does not mean that you cannot enter future giveaways. Everybody is welcome to enter even if they have won. So again, hashtag JLJTribe down in the comments, and then come back on Tuesday, 2 days from now. Be on the lookout for that video. That video I think will release at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to see if you have won this bundle. Again, if you have 2 weeks to claim your winnings by emailing me your information. And if you don't, unfortunately, we will have to put this back out again. I don't want to do that, guys, because I have so many bundles for giveaways. So make sure that you guys do come back to check to see if you won. So I want to thank you guys so much, and good luck to you all. And I will see you on Tuesday. Take care, guys. Have a great rest of your weekend.